Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to another week of science. This is going to be taking us in this week to Unit 2 and Space Lesson 2. And I already see a problem here because Miss Johnson already had Space Lesson 1. Okay. Anyway, last week we started talking about gravity, and we learned that gravity is this attractive force that, for instance, if this ping pong ball is the Earth, we learned that gravity is a force that's going to pull things toward the center of the Earth. So we're not floating around all over the place due to the Earth's gravity drawing us down toward the center of the Earth. But we also learned that gravity is really important in the formation of planets in the solar system. So, for instance, why does the moon orbit the Earth? Well, that's because of the gravitational force of the Earth pulling on the moon and keeping that in orbit. We also learned that the Earth revolves around the sun due to the force of gravity, and the whole solar system is in place due to gravity. So, there's a lot going on there, and I hope you guys had some fun exploring gravity this past week. Now, this week we're going to be focusing on the size and scale of the universe. And so basically, all of your activities in our lesson are going to look at what are some of the different types of objects that are found in the universe and our solar system. And then we're going to look at, things on a really, on a really large level, and then we're going to look at things on a really, really small level. So to get you started here, if you're here watching this video, then you're already taking care of step 1. Step 2 is going to be to copy some pages over to your notebook from the teacher copy of the notebook. And so those are going to be slides 22 through 25 this week. When you go into Schoology, you're going to be going to Unit 2, Space. So I'll kind of like step things back here. When you go into our class online in Schoology, we're going to click into Unit 2, Space, and then we're going to click into this folder for 1028, Space Lesson 2. Within Schoology, and of course, by the time you get there, there's going to be more stuff listed for you guys in Schoology, but to get to the teacher copy of the science notebook, you're going to go into our folder for this week, open up this link, and here is the teacher copy of the science notebook. Moving over to the teacher copy, when you get into here, there's a couple of different ways that you can view these slides. So just so that it's a little bit easier for you guys to see, I'm actually going to do this format here. And so for the teacher, in the teacher copy, we're looking for slides 22 through 25. So here they are. Your notes have been chunked out for you guys over 3 slides. So I know that this looks like a lot, but what you're actually filling in is pretty minimal, and a lot of the space is pictures, which I always think are really nice to have. So we're going to copy these 4 pages over. In order to do that, you can click on the first slide here, 22, and then press Shift or Control. And if you hold that down, you can actually click to select all of these slides, right-click, select Copy, and then you can move over to your own copy of your notebook. And if you right-click to paste, then all of those slides will copy over, and now you're ready to go. We'll click Do Not Link. And now we're set up for the rest of the week. So in terms of what we've got going on for the rest of your week, well, once you've got your pages copied over, then you'll go into our video lesson for the week. That will include Science Now. So there will be a question for you to fill out in the second row of page 2.2 in your notebook. Then we will go through the note slides, slides 20 through 25 in our lesson, and we'll look at some of the different objects that are found in our universe. And then the other thing that I have for you guys this week is a web quest. And this is going to be some different videos and simulations that are going to help you explore the scale of the universe from the very, very small to the very, very large. And hopefully this will help you kind of think about things in a way that you never have before and be something kind of fun and interesting for you. So all of these assignments are going to be due by Tuesday at 11/3. Oh my God, we're already going into November. And then, of course, as always, we will have our weekly class meeting on Monday. So that will be Monday, November 2nd at 10:30. Also, if you're watching this video this morning, Wednesday office hours are held from 10 to 10:45 a.m. The Zoom link will be in the updates for you there. So that's a little overview of our week. I hope that you have a wonderful week. And as you go through the rest of our stuff in Schoology, there will be little videos to kind of explain what you're doing for all of this stuff. So make sure that you are clicking into those assignments, viewing those instructions, and that will help with a lot of questions that you'll have. All right. So if you need anything, reach out to me and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.